Welcome to Egypt. Where do you want to travel first? Archaeology in the pyramid. Amina, where are we? This is the famous pyramid in Egypt. I am going to conduct archaeological work here. Can I make a visit? Sure. Come with me and check out what we find. I've detected a cultural relic buried under these stones. Break the stones first to make the excavation easier. Shovel the broken stones into the cart. Let's find out where the cultural relics are. We've got all the fragments. Let's restore this relic. Cultural relic fragments should be cleaned up. Put all the fragments together. Wow, this is a relic of Bastet, the cat goddess. Paint it with the same color. You've got the wrong color. The restoration of the cultural relic is completed. Let's start visiting the exhibition. It has been such a... Let's continue the journey and collect all the puzzle pieces. Where else do you want to travel? Ancient Egyptian masquerade ball. This dress is so beautiful. This is a costume of an ancient Egyptian princess. I also wanted to be dressed beautifully. There is a masquerade ball tonight. Let's dress up as ancient Egyptian princesses. Please put on moisturizer for me first. The climate in Egypt is hot and dry. It's very easy to get sunburned here. But the ancient Egyptians learned very early on to use moisturizers for skin protection. Please help me with the makeup. The ancient Egyptians believed that makeup can protect them from the harms of the hot and dry climate, as well as the mosquito bites. We need to prepare a pretty outfit for Amina. Ancient Egyptian princesses liked to wear beautiful long dresses. Ancient Egyptian. Wow, Amina is so pretty. Please also help me prepare an outfit.